Hello guys, today we're unboxing the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. It's come with three batteries, this remote, very nice remote. I already spoke about it on the previous video, and of course we have the Mini 4 Pro. Nice. So it comes in this very nice bag. Drone, remote, batteries. I really like this bag, really nice. So we have the remote, the two batteries, I see two, and of course we got the drone. "45-minute each battery. Amazing remote. And we have the drone. This is crazy. Like, if you guys look right there, that's like a little camera. The sensors. It's crazy. Right there. Wild. Right there. Crazy. Right there. This is nice. It's like a little belt. Cool. I like this. So it comes with the extra propellers right there. I think it's like 2 sets. A little screwdriver right here, the manual, and we have the 2 cables for, I'm assuming, for charging, probably to plug in. I'm assuming this works like a power bank too. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but anyway, so yeah, I'm going to assume that the other battery is inside the drone, so I'm gonna charge it right now. But very nice. I think my favorite part is the bag. I really like it. Really nice design. Okay, for the basic startup, I'm gonna say basic because it's just gonna be like how to charge it. So you have to get the drone out. So you remove the belt and you just open it on both sides and just remove it. So just like this, opens up and comes off. I'm going to remove the battery from the drone, so just so I can charge the 3 batteries at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. For the longer arms, there's 2 arms are shorter, 2 arms are longer. So for the 4, there we go. So that's for the longer ones. For the shorter ones, they just come out to the sides, both of them. So do that. Alright, so there we have it. So these just come out. This one, well, technically it's supposed to be down, up. I don't know, but you get the point. Thing is me looking. For this cover, you just like press it out and it's just gonna come off. No, never mind, don't do that. Okay, so if you flip the drone upside down, where the bottom, this is the bottom of the drone, you just press up like this, it comes right off. Oh, this one looks way better than I had the 3, and the build quality on this one is way better for sure. I think this is a 3-axis stabilizer. I might be wrong, but this thing is nice. Alright, anyway, you remove all this shit. Remove before use, so of course we remove it, put it on the side. There's like a little pad right here, so make sure you remove that, because you don't want to start your drone and your gimbal moving with this on the back of it, because it's gonna probably hurt it. So you remove this little padding behind the gimbal, put it away, and then remove this little tape around the camera. I'm not gonna do that right now, I'm gonna charge it, but just be careful, and then just peel it out one by one. Two. Shit, sorry. Alright. And we have the camera. Nice. F24 1.7. That's nice. 1.7 aperture. So yeah, this is a drone. Very nice, man. I think it's sick. So they have 2 little tabs on each side. 1, 2 tabs. You're gonna press both tabs and then pull it out. Just make sure you're pressing both and then pull out like that. See, I was able to do it with one hand, and that's it. So it is recommended that you charge the battery before usage. It says right there. I removed the sticker as well, and they only go one way. So if you see, like, this is like when you were a kid, you know, they're facing one way. They're not like square, or it's like one of the sides is slimmer or less wide. And then we just boom, and I guess it clicks. And for all batteries, same process to remove. Press both sides and pull. Alright, so they're all locked in, and I'm gonna charge the batteries. So for the cables, we have one that is type C, both ends, and the other one, it's type C and USB, regular USB on the other side. So right now I'm gonna figure out well, I guess you have to supply your own plug on the wall connector. For in, you have to, this is where you're gonna plug in your cable to connect the battery charger, so I can start charging your batteries. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing. For the remote, this is where the little sticks are, right here. Take them out, 1, 2, and they have like a little threads right there, and you see the little screw. This all, you screw it in here. Same thing on the other one. For the remote, you charge right there. So this comes with antennas. They move. Okay guys, so actually I tried connecting the second cable that came in the package from the battery charger where it says out, I plugged in the one with the USB, and then the other end I connected it to the remote. I thought it was going to be charging the batteries and be able to charge the remote at the same time, but nothing happened. That's what I'm explaining here. And just to clarify that it didn't work, because when the remote is charging, it's supposed to be doing the exact same thing that the battery is doing right there. It should be blinking, and that did not happen, unfortunately. So for now, I'm just going to suggest you charge your remote separately. So that's what I ended up doing. You see, nothing happened. It was connected there. But yeah, just to let you know. Alright, so I plugged in the remote to a whole different, my own like wall mount, or my own charger. I already had a charger, and it worked right away. So yeah.